Chatterjee is back with Zero Vision with some good morning news. Ready to hold series against England in India, stated Saurav Ganguly. Our BCCI President Saurav Ganguly on Monday said that the board will do all it can to ensure that India's home series against England remains in the country and domestic tournaments kick off at some point despite the COVID-19 situation. India's COVID-19 case load has gone past 60 lakh and the number of dead bodies has surged beyond 95,000. England are scheduled to tour India next year between January and March for 5 tests, 3 ODIs and 3 T20 internationals. As the lockdown in Maharashtra ends on September 30, the Uddhav Thackeray-led government has prepared guidelines with the intent to reopen restaurants in the first week of October, shared them with stakeholders for feedback. Restaurants in Maharashtra have remained closed for dine-in services since March when the nationwide coronavirus lockdown was imposed. So far, restaurants have only been allowed to deliver food or pickups by customers. Once the rules are finalized by the stakeholders, we'll take a decision to reopen restaurant. Our Chief Minister Uddhav Balasaheb Thackeray said in a meeting with the representatives of restaurant business associations from Mumbai, Pune, Aurangabad and Nagpur via video conferencing on Monday. The standard operating procedure SOP will be finalized after the round of meeting with the restaurant representatives. Additional Chief Secretary Sitaram Kunte stated. Union Minister Ramdas Athwale today warned that his party RPIA will stage a protest if the police does not arrest filmmaker Anurag Kashyap within a week in the connection with the rape charges leveled against him by an actress. Ramdas, who met Joint Commissioner of Police Vishwas Nagare Patil along with the actress in Mumbai, told reporters he will write to the Maharashtra Home Minister Anil Deshmukh seeking protection for her. Mumbai police will be responsible if anything happens to the actress, Minister of State for Social Justice and Empowerment Ramdas Athwale stated. The Rajya Sabha MP said he will also write to the Rajya Sabha MP also stated that he will also write to the Union Home Minister Mr. Amit Shah on the issue and added that this party too will give protection to the actress. I have been seeing the police taking immediate action and catch accused in cases of atrocities against women, but Anurag Kashyap has not been caught yet. I have instructed the police to ensure no injustice is meted out to her, Mr. Athwale said after meeting Mr. Vishwas Nagare Patil. Ford Motor, which operates 2 auto plants in Germany, has applied for 500 million euros of German loan guarantees aimed at cushioning the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic. Business Daily Handelsblatt reported on Monday, while Germany has given coronavirus-related aid to companies such as auto parts supplier Leoni Ford, which would be the first major car maker in the country to receive such help from the government. The auto sector, one of the key pillars of German's industry, was struggling even before the pandemic due to the shift towards the electric vehicles and lower worldwide demand. Ford wants the federal government to grant most of the loan guarantees, while a smaller share is expected to come from German states, Handelsblatt said without citing to its sources. A Delhi court on Monday declared 4 directors of a Gujarat-based pharma firm, Sterling Biotech Limited, fugitive economic offenders in rupees 8,100 crores bank fraud case. Additional Session Judge Dharmender Rana passed the order on a plea filed by the Enforcement Directorate. I have no hesitation in observing that this court is satisfied that the petitioner has successfully pleaded and proved that the respondents herein are fugitive economic offenders. It is hereby declared that the accused Nitin Jayantilal Sandesara, Chetan Jayantilal Sandesara and Dipti Chetan Jayantilal Sandesara and Hitesh Kumar Narendra Bhai Patil are fugitive of economic offenders, the judge stated. Manchester City agreed to deal with Benfica to sign defender Ruben Dias, Nicolas Otamendi to move in opposite direction. Dias 23 is a product of Benfica's renowned academy and has been capped 19 times by Portugal. He scored Benfica's opening goal in a 2-0 win over Monastir at the weekend in the Portuguese league. The agreement is dependent on the player agreeing a contract with Manchester City, the Lisbon club stated. And Benfica agreed a deal to sell defender Ruben Dias to Manchester City for 68 million euros, with Nicolas Otamendi moving in the opposite direction in a separate deal for 50 million euros. The Portuguese giants have announced in a statement late on Saturday, Benfica said that the deal for Dias would also see City pay an extra of 3.6 million euros in potential bonuses. So everyone, that's all for today's news. I'll be back again with some hot news with Zero Vision once again. Till that time, thank you.